Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? You are my friend if your hair is this long. If it's any shorter, no. You too. Guess what? Bitch, we making a wig. A U part wig, bitch. So she want a middle part. Bitch, we got a middle. Right. Okay, anyway. So we got hair from Kendra's Boutique. If y'all can see. Hold up. Bitch, y'all can't see that. Kendra's Boutique. Yes, that's where Black China get her hair from. Holla. And it says, I meant to say it says I'm a hair bar. My bad. And it's like a little light brown color. Let me see if y'all could see it. But like, yeah, girl, she dropped my bundles. Girl, I hope she don't watch this video and be like, girl, she dropped my bundles. Okay, that's how the ends look. Just in case y'all wanted to see her hair. I mean, they do it in all the other YouTube videos. Though. Okay, then she got a 28. And this is a 28. I know it might look kind of thin, but it's like, I mean, I don't work with their hair before. Like one of the time, where I had a client, like her hair used to like come in that color. Come in that color, come from Kendra's Hair Boutique, bitch. And it did seem kind of thin, but it always ended up like once you installed it, it ended up being full and trying to be fleeky. So this is a 28. Okay, again, I'm gonna go back through. This one is a little bit darker than the other bundle, but I mean, virgin hair, it should never be black. Virgin hair should never be black. Virgin hair should never be black. Okay, so that's brown. Yeah, virgin hair could be black, but I don't really feature it. Okay, and this is the 24. To be honest, girl, this is like my least favorite bundle. Only because it's like I don't really know what it's doing. And I don't know, these ends, they just look like they've been blunt cut. And I'm not really featuring it. And it's like, girl. But I'm gonna let y'all see the ends. It's like a bitch, those shits is almost motherfucking even. Those ends was just like, looked like they was just cut blunt. And I just wasn't featuring them. Like, girl, no motherfucking even. But it's, I get, girl. Anyways, bitch, it's what Black China got her hair from, so bitch. We trying to get Rob Kardashian. Rob Kardashian. Okay. So, again, this is the hair. And it's like, bitch, for some, like, really not, because I look way too good to be, oh my, girl, get into her. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna come back with the next thing. That thing. Okay, and this is how, I ain't even gonna guess it. This is how the top of the bundles look, but it's just on the outer one. And it could be because of the elastic band. Dear Kendra Hair Boutique, maybe you should get the non-slip, the non grip ones from Walmart. They're on like 248 and bitch, you're booming. Black China endorses you, so girl, you got coins. Cause this is not gonna work. I'm just saying, let me rock out your bitch. But I like you, Kendra. Cute. Just saying. And that. And like all of that because it's like, girl, so your hair is going. Or bitch, you just pay like $300 to put nobody's hair stuff. But okay, and that's the other thing. This 24 is kind of getting on my nerves because it's like, can you see that? I don't know. If look, I'll turn this on. Look at where that 24 go, right? And then look like, I mean, but it's gonna, I'm gonna make it look fab. Do I look fabulous? Fabulous. In my New York voice, bitch. Yes, okay. Like, I feel real Tiana Taylor, like, bitch, my back is shaking, my booty, my right too tight, my booty shaking. Go left, go right, go left, right. I mean, I'm just seeing. Just trying to look kind of like foreign. I mean, you ain't trying to look foreign, like, okay. So, cause see, she gave them middle part teeth. So, I wonder if she don't let me flat iron it. Even though everybody loves a middle part flat iron, it's like this over here is done out the teeth. But it's probably gonna be different in style. But when she go like, yes, bitch, you fucking know. We about to fuck it up. I'm gonna give y'all Throwback Thursday for that in. Oh my god, I probably don't have that video anymore. But anyways. So that's again enough of this Kendra Hair Boutique. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and go follow and like my @Hair by RoXX'D Facebook and Instagram page.